In this video, we'll break down where beginners make key mistakes. I'll show you the principle behind how traders who stay in the market long-term and earn consistently operate, not just going trade by trade. Hey everyone, welcome to the Ryan Trade channel. Today, I'll show you my personal method for boosting a deposit on the Pocket Options broker using a 15-second time frame. I'll try to explain everything as simply and clearly as possible, so each of you can understand and apply this method in practice. This video is perfect for both beginners and more experienced traders. So let's not waste time and get straight into trading. Before starting a trading session, I always recommend setting the chart type to candlesticks. This is the most optimal chart type on this broker. For the interval, I've selected 15-second candles. We'll be trading and doing technical analysis on these today. I only have $500 in my deposit. My goal for this video is to add at least $1,000 to my deposit. I'll show you later exactly which tool will help me pull that off. But for now, let's move on to choosing currency pairs. We're trading in OTC mode. I'm adding stable currency pairs with higher profitability on this broker. After adding the currency pairs to favorites, we'll be able to monitor the profitability on these assets in real time. And if the profitability drops, we'll switch to other currency pairs right during trading and trade on those instead. I'm switching over to the British pound against the Japanese yen. Let's do a quick technical analysis on this asset. First, I'll mark the most recent price high. And you can see with the naked eye that the price here was previously in a downtrend. Right now though, we can see stable sideways movement on this asset. Let's also mark the local support level with a horizontal line. We can see that the price previously wasn't able to break below this zone. I'll also mark the most recent local price high here. Stable sideways movement was previously happening on this asset, but now pullback movements dominate the market. And many traders would open a position here going for a downward move. But this strategy is based on trading with technical analysis confirmed by signals from an AI-powered bot. I'll share this discovery with you using my own example, show you how many traders are already earning with this tool, walk you through the setup of this tool, and show you exactly how you should use it to make money. Open trades with this broker and start earning consistently as early as today. Let's move on to setting up this bot. After launching it through the Telegram channel, in the trade parameters, we simply need to select the trading mode. I'm switching to OTC. I also have videos about the Forex mode on my YouTube channel. Feel free to check out the playlists and watch this trading tutorial. But for now, let's move on to picking our asset. British pound against Japanese yen is on screen. We've already done a quick technical analysis on this asset. I'm setting the expiration time to 15 seconds. I also have videos about 5-second and 1-minute candles on my YouTube channel. Now I'll click to generate a signal and carefully wait for the technical analysis on this tool. Within seconds, the bot will analyze this currency pair on its own and then give us a signal to either buy or sell. And here's a sell signal with 50% confidence, opening along this updated downtrend line. The price previously broke through this last low here. Just seconds left until we add to the deposit. Plus $155 on the account. An absolutely perfect entry point. No issues whatsoever. So it's doing its job here, giving us our first boost to the deposit. All we need to do next is restart this tool in order to pick the next asset on it and switch over to the next currency pair ourselves. New Zealand dollar against the US dollar is up next. I'm switching over to this asset now. Let's show you the full power of this tool. Without those analyses, we will open on the next asset, the New Zealand dollar. The dollar is next in line. I am adding this currency pair to my instrument. I am trading this bat so boldly and confidently since I have been trading with it for 4.5 months. During this period of time, he earned over $30,000. And all this is not a joke, but only artificial intelligence. The broker does not forbid you to trade with third-party instruments, so do not worry about your funds and your account. But feel free to go to the Telegram channel and take this bot into your trading. I click on the signal generation. Waiting for the technical analysis of this tool, we see that the price is moving along the descending trend line here. The bot reads this situation and gives us a signal to buy our deal. I am also opening up with confidence of 50% of the last minimum value. A correction in the market is taking place. The bot reads this situation with perfect accuracy, gives us the right signal. Thereby we add another $145 to our deposit and the next entry point. The bot also copes with its task here without any problems. In just 2 minutes on the broker, we have already added over $300 to our account. I'm also not going to stop there. I'm switching further to my selected assets. I'm switching to the dollar, the Japanese yen, which also has a 92% payout. Let's also open on the dollar and the Japanese yen without technical analysis. I fully trust this tool, as I have been trading with it for 4.5 months. As mentioned earlier, the only thing I realized during this period of time is that I need to open on time according to the signals. Double check the settings of your instrument. OTC mode. dollar, and Japanese yen on the screen. 15-second expiration time. Click on the signal generation and carefully wait for the technical analysis of this bot. In a matter of seconds, I wait for technical analysis and open on time at the signal. There is a sell signal with a confidence of 52%. Opening after a prolonged correction in the market to the last minimum value on this asset. The local support level of the price has formed here. A few seconds remain and a sharp downward momentum gives us another increase on our deposit. Having opened with an accuracy of 52% to the second, the bot gives us another deposit increase here. The pullback movements begin to prevail on this asset. The price here is moving towards the last minimum value. But we don't care. We reboot this bot and move on to our selected assets, switching to the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. Also, without any technical analysis, let's open on the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. I fully trust this trampoline, as I know that many traders are already trading using artificial intelligence. They simply don't show it to you on their screens, as it is possible to request a signal from both a phone and a personal device. Therefore, be careful and trade with AI yourself. I click on the generation, carefully waiting for the technical analysis of this bot along the ascending trend line. The price is trying to move here. A correction is taking place in the market. The bot reads this situation and gives us a sell signal. Opening with 57% confidence along this main descending trend line, I am waiting for full-fledged pullback movements and another increase in my deposit. The price is below our entry point, and the pullback movements are beginning to prevail. In a matter of seconds, there is another increase, and now we have a deposit plus $600 in our account. The most ideal trading session. In just 5 minutes of trading, we add over $500 to our deposit. I'm also not going to stop there. I'm switching further to the Australian dollar. Let's do a little technical analysis on this asset. We see that earlier, the price was moving along an ascending trend line. But now, the pullback movements are prevailing in the market from the local resistance level. I also remind you that this bot does not require any investments from you. By going to the Telegram channel, all you need to do is write to the group administrator, and he will give you the access key to this tool. I'm requesting another signal. I am carefully waiting for the technical analysis of this bot. The price is currently overcoming a correction here. We have a sell signal. With 65% confidence, I am opening further downwards along this main descending trend line. After small corrective movements, the price continues along this downward trend line. Sets the active movement. There is another increase and literally 2 entry points remain for us until the completion of trading on this broker and an increase of $1,000 on the deposit. I'm restarting this bot, moving on to the New Zealand dollar. We see that our payout against the British pound and the Japanese yen has dropped to 78%. This is a signal to us that it makes no sense to trade on this asset right now. I am requesting my next signal in the New Zealand dollar. I click on the generation, carefully waiting for the technical analysis of this bot. It is a pleasure to trade with this instrument. All you have to do is open on time at the signal with an accuracy of 58% to the second. I am opening from the lower range along this main ascending trend line to the local maximum value on this asset. The payout is also 92%. Let's add the same $155 to our deposit. There is momentum and another increase in our account. Open up to the second. You will be able to earn with this bot just like me. A lot of traders are already trading with artificial intelligence. They just don't show it to you on their screens. I share this discovery with you since this bot is absolutely free. It does not require any investments from you. Also, come to my YouTube channel and watch the previous videos. You will see how easily I accelerate my deposit from just $100. You will also see videos about Forex mode. Well, we are moving to the last currency pair, namely the dollar and the Japanese yen. Previously, it was also opened here without technical analysis. Let's also make our last entry point without him. The Japanese yen dollar is on the screen. The expiration time is 15 seconds. So in just 10 minutes on the broker, we will add $1,000 to your deposit. No indicators are needed. Only with the help of signals from this bot you need, and can earn money on this broker. Since the broker does not prohibit you from using third-party tools when trading on it. We have a sell signal with 62% confidence. I am opening up to a local deposit. The minimum value on this asset. Our sideways movement is stable on this currency pair. It reads this situation, gives us the ideal entry point. And finally, we have an increase of $1,000 on our deposit. Let's take a look at our history during this trading session. Literally, in 10 minutes of trading with small technical tents while shooting this video. I am closing this trading session in a perfect plus. We started our trade with $500. All entry points added $155 each. Thus, they added $1,000 to their deposit. 7 signal requests. The bot gave us all 7 with perfect accuracy. Thus, we add a significant increase to our deposit. The perfect trading session. And all this is only due to the signals from this bot.